derivative of a sigmoid function. So this is sigmoid function. इसका फार्मूला है fx which is equal to y which is equal to 1 upon 1 plus e to the power minus x. The formula that dy dx of fn which is equal to n and f to the power n minus 1 and d over dx of f. So we will apply this formula here. So d over dx of 1 upon 1 plus e to the power minus x. We can also write d over dx of 1 plus e to the power minus x to the power minus 1, जिसको हम लिख सकते हैं again using this formula. Minus 1 will come here and 1 plus e to the power minus, then whole thing to the power decrease by 1, which will become minus 2, and then d over dx of the whole thing, which is 1 plus e to the power minus 6. Now we will go along like this: 1 plus e to the power minus x to the power minus 2, and d over dx of this plus d over dx of this will be 0, and d over dx of e to the power minus x, this will be minus 1 plus e to the power minus x to the power minus 2, and d over dx of is same thing, and then derivative of this power, which is equal to d over dx of minus x. This will be minus 1 plus e to the power minus x minus 2 e to the power minus x and minus 1. Now this will get cancelled with this. You will get e to the power minus x upon 1 plus e to the power minus x to the power 2. This power will become positive. To arrange like this: 1 plus e to the power minus x multiplied by e to the power minus x upon 1 plus e to the power minus x, and this is equal to 1 plus e to the power minus x, and one more arrangement we can do: 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus e to the power minus x. Still the equation is same. Now this thing we can recognize as y, and this is y, so we'll have y 1 minus y. So dy over dx equal to this one, y is equal to 1 upon e to the power minus x. So if x is equal to say 0.95, then y is equal to 1 upon 1 plus e to the power minus 0.95, which we can calculate to 0.7211. Now if we want dy by dx, we do not need to solve the full equation. We just need y. The dy will be equal to y into 1 minus y, which will be equal to 0.7211 into 1 minus 0.7211, which is equal to 0.2011, or y dash, you can also a notation of it.